Polygon outputs. For doing the calculations inside Dewesoft, we have different types of outputs that we can use. We can, for example, calculate the absolute distance between the objects. So this will be always the minimum distance between the objects that we are calculating the distance from. We can also calculate the distance in x or y direction. So this depends on the coordinate system from the objects that we are doing the calculations. If we are calculating the distance from the vehicle, the x direction will always be in front of the vehicle and y direction on the right side of the vehicle if we are looking forwards. We also have calculations inside for angle. So for example, what is the angle of the vehicle towards the track? We have gate triggers, which will just give out a pulse each time that we cross a certain line. We have gate time for getting the gate time or doing lap times. We can also reset these times, and we also have an output for travel radius. So for determining what was the minimum travel radius that a certain vehicle has done. For all of these calculations, we have different points on objects where we can do the calculations from. So for example, we can do calculation from the vehicle center, the vehicle front, rear, front left, right, rear left, rear right. So basically from all of these points. Or we can also do frame-to-frame calculation. This means that we will calculate the minimum distance from vehicle to vehicle, and as soon as the vehicle moves, it will always search for the minimum distance between the outer dimensions of the vehicle and calculate that distance. So here we just have a preview of different outputs being used. For example, angle of the vehicle, travel radius, doing time reset and time, distance in x and y, and gate cross triggers.